Hi, Jerome Fryer of Dynamic Disc Designs. I wanted to highlight this little model here. This is a C56 matching specimen to the professional model, so the same human specimen. And this one has some really unique features. This is the Professional CxH, named after the Professional LxH, CxH, Cervical, LxH, Lumbar, XH referring to the herniation. This one I've packed in. You can see there are many little features in this one here, including the ligamentum flavum, the anterior longitudinal ligament. If you look carefully, you'll actually see a periosteal, the fascia, periosteal fascia here, the uncovertebral joint. Down the spinal canal, we actually have a posterior longitudinal ligament with two different layers. We know that these layers, the most dorsal has fibers that are longitudinal, and if you come in one layer, the layer actually is more of a diagonal. So it's got a thickened kind of fibrous material with two layers. So I've opened those up, sectioned that so you can see that. This actually has, you can see the transverse foramen here. And this one has, you can see this one actually has two. So there's a little one right there. So as I've understood, most of the vascular contents travel through the largest foramen. So this model is dynamic. I'll get to the good stuff here, right? Fully dynamic. And the herniation actually will extrude adjacent, you can see right here, right where my eye is, just adjacent to the posterior longitudinal ligament. You can see that through the canal as well, through superior here, right? So this is more realistic with regards to resembling the herniation as a result, as it occurs just adjacent to the PLL. So anyways, this one is a nice little companion to the professional because it's a matching specimen, plus it helps patients understand scale. So if they're doing headstands to improve their chi or their flow, you can share with them how the cervical discs weren't really designed to be upended to create these type of compressive forces. So I think from a scale standpoint, they can be very helpful. Plus it helps them understand foraminal encroachment, manipulation, if that's a treatment that you render, different positions regarding antalgia. So this model is just wonderful, and I've tried to pack in as much as I possibly can to help a patient understand their symptoms.